This year, OnePlus launched two phones under its 11 series, the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus 11R. While the OnePlus 11 is available in almost all the major markets, the OnePlus 11R is exclusive for the Indian market. And these are the only two flagship phones that OnePlus will have for the rest of 2023. That is because the company has decided to streamline its flagship portfolio, and so going forward, there won't be any Pro models and the T series phones from the company. So next year as well, it is quite likely that we are getting only two flagship phones, OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus 12R. In my last video, I talked about the OnePlus 12 and its specifications. Now we have the renders of the OnePlus 12R and also its specifications. Unlike the OnePlus 12 that is getting a slight design upgrade over the OnePlus 11, the design of the OnePlus 12R remains the same as 11R. So there is the same camera module with a triple camera setup and the LED flash, a slightly curved display on the front with a hole punch cutout in the center, and an alert slider on the right side. But while the design is the same, there are some big upgrades in the specifications. The OnePlus 12R is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is a noticeable upgrade compared to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in the OnePlus 11R. This also means the phone will have UFS 4.0 storage. The battery was already quite big in the 11R at 5000 mAh, but the 12R has an even bigger battery at 5500 mAh. This makes it the largest battery in a OnePlus flagship. The charging speed is the same at 100 watt, and the 12R does not support wireless charging, something that the OnePlus 12 has. In terms of the cameras, the 12R is getting one big upgrade. The OnePlus 11R has that useless 2 megapixel macro camera, but the OnePlus 12R has a 32 megapixel telephoto camera offering a 2x optical zoom. The rest of the cameras are the same on paper, so there is a 50 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The display is the same, at least on paper, so it is a 6.7 inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. And finally, the OnePlus 12R will launch with Oxygen OS 14. Well, the OnePlus 12R seems like quite a significant upgrade over the OnePlus 11R in terms of specifications. But these upgrades also mean an increase in the pricing. The OnePlus 11R was launched in the Indian market at 40,000 rupees, and at the time of its launch, it was the most affordable phone in India with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. In short, the phone was launched at a very aggressive price. We expect the same to be the case with the OnePlus 12R next year. Anyways, what are your expectations for the price? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.